magandang tanghali sa ating lahat. Manifesto by PNP Officer of Mungkalan Tarlac. We, the officers of Partido Federal ng Pilipinas, Mungkalan Chapter, unite in urging Her Excellency Nicky Preto Teodoro to step forward and run for governor in 2025 election to lead and serve our province. Whereas Nicky Preto Teodoro and her outstanding role as the country's special envoy UNICEF has constantly prioritized the well-being of children, women, and those in need, reflecting the qualities we value in a leader: compassion, honest, and a strong commitment to serve. Whereas her impact efforts in social development, both in local and national level, have positioned her as a strong advocate for exclusive governance dedicated to improving the lives of marginalized communities by ensuring they have access to equity, healthcare, and economic opportunities. Whereas in these crucial times, Tarlac stands at turning point in its path toward sustainable growth, and we require a visionary leader capable of bringing together the deserved sectors, driving progress, and taking into full potential of our province, natural resources, industries, and most important, its people. Whereas we believe that with her leadership, Tarlac can reach unprecedented growth through innovative programs, reform, and collaborations that will secure prosperity, economic stability, and improve opportunity for all Mungkalinians and Tarlaceños. Whereas her exceptional leadership, driven by her strong family values and dedication to public service, is exactly what Tarlac needs to build on our shared achievement and take governance and development to greater heights. Now, therefore, we, the officer of Partido Federal ng Pilipinas, Mungkalan Chapters, earnestly and wholeheartedly urge Her Excellency Nicky Preto to respond to our request for her candidacy and to bring her experience, dedication, leadership to serve Tarlac as our next governor. We stand together in this appeal and be prepared to collaborate with her as we face the challenges and seize the opportunities that await the province of Tarlac. With her leadership, we confident that Tarlac will strive and become a shining example of progress and effective governance. Now, kami po ay impirma para sa manifesto para sa running for Governor Nicky Preto. Thank you po.